Hi, everybody. Sorry, started a little late there. How's everything going today, everyone? I am not set up and ready to roll yet. Corey, when's your birthday? Corey's birthday. Hello, whatever forever. Hello, ask it on. Tomorrow's your birthday. All right. Well, happy birthday tomorrow. That's awesome. I'm excited for you. How old are you now? The big 6-0? Just kidding. You don't look a day over 20. Day over 20. Halfway to 70. Oh man, you're just a youngin'. Cool. Well, congratulations for making it one more trip around the sun. That's fantastic. My birthday is coming up as well. Early June 2. I will be 28 years old. Yeah. Oh, what's going on with this? My thing's not working. Anyhow, okay, cool. Hi. So, I'm also not young. I will be 44 this year. So yeah. So when you talk to me because I'm old. Anyways, what am I doing here? I'm updating. Okay, so I'm updating 6.2.1. There was a point release that just came out and some security stuff. And is this actually going to do it? Is it going to do it? Yes, sir. That's right. Get off my lawn, Corey. Get off my lawn. Start yelling at clouds. Yeah. Anyways, what are we doing today? Well, today you're in for a treat. You're going to watch me struggle for the entire time. The entirety of what we're doing today. I don't need that open anymore. What are we doing today? So today we're going to try to do, I've been talking about this forever and I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to start doing it. And I'm building this is not the project that we need. We need Twitch streams. This is my project. And sorry, I'm just totally not set up here. Why am I the only one in the chat room? You're not. Yes, Corey. There was an unintentional side effect of from my understanding, I haven't done a lot of digging into it. But my understanding is allowing shortcodes to be in block templates. Allowing shortcodes to be in block templates is some kind of security vulnerability that I'm not entirely sure of the sort of the specifics there. So that's the thing. So they had to remove them. There was a fix, and then the fix actually didn't fix it, and then there's another fix, and so so I don't know. Web Factory, I can see everybody. Maybe you have something set funky, like maybe you're only viewing certain things or something. I don't know, but okay, yeah, Justin's here. Justin Tadlock. He knows everything about block themes, and he's actually helping me build this thing that we're gonna build. So right. So anyways, let's get into it. Enough of my jibber jabber. So Justin, who is a legend in the WordPress community, there's no other way to describe Justin than legendary. He started work on this, which is this is like a block theme, a first draft for your next block theme for WordPress, which is a fantastic way of describing it. So I'm going to try to use this. And I'm going to start with this. And oh, Kev, thanks for the sub. Oh, my bot. I didn't start my bot. I don't know if my bot ever really works properly or not. I don't really know. Kevin, somebody just redeemed Kevin, and I didn't hear that. What's going on here? Oh, man, I don't know what's going on. Anyways, Kevin, thanks for the sub. You're the best. Maybe it won't break. Still working on that repo up until a few minutes ago. All right, cool. So what do you think I should do here, Justin? Maybe I should I fork it and then I can use it in, maybe there's some upstream stuff I can do. Like what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? I can just download a zip and start messing around with it, but if there's anything that we can address, then I can push it back up as a pull request if you want to do it that way. And then I can just include it as part of my, okay, here we go. We're going to fork it. Here we go. Let's do it. We're going to press the old fork button. And I'm going to do this. I'm going to go that. And I don't know what that is, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to click this button. Awesome. So we got this. I will check this out. So I guess this is kind of all over the place because my intention is that, so there's the community themes project that I might end up submitting this theme to, but I think for now maybe what I'll do is I'll check out a fork of this and we'll drop that into our themes directory. I'm gonna go open integrated terminal. I'm gonna go git checkout this, and we're gonna do not check. What am I saying? My first day. This is gonna be git clone. I'm gonna do it that way. That's what it is. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna go git remote. I'm gonna go add. Go upstream. If I spell it right, upstream, and then I need to get this. Right? I need to grab this. I'm gonna grab that, and I'm gonna go. You can just do it that way. So git remote R, not G, clear. Sorry, git remote. I think R is what you use. What? Oh my God, has it been that long that I don't know what the hell I'm talking about? Maybe it's V. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so now I've got all of the upstream, and then I can just do my stuff in Origin and push up what I think I should push up. So we'll do that. We'll do that. Boy, I sure do love source tree. Source tree. Is that a GUI? I think it is. Is it good? I've used a couple in the past. There was one that I love. It's called Kraken, and I just love it because you can get Kraken. It's fantastic. Oh no, my bot crashed. Let's try it again. Did I break something in my bot? Oh my Lord, what is going on? Is this not running? What is this? There we go. Somebody do something that would trigger my bot. So when someone just, throw a subscribe my way or do a follow or something. Anyways, I don't know, whatever. All right, so I've got that all set up. So now let's look. So let's get into first draft. So first draft, let's look at the theme.json. Holy smoke-a-doodles. There's a lot going on there. You have to unsubscribe first. Well, don't do that. Not allowed. Oh, what? It just keeps crashing. Well, I guess I'm not going to have a bot. I guess I'm not going to have a bot for the next little bit. All right, whatever. Fine. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is for my Git repository here, I'm going to ignore this theme because I don't think I want to include the thing. Yeah, I need a new bot, Kevin. Can you whip one up for me, please? Just, themes, first draft. So I'm going to go themes. And then I should be able to go first draft. Because if I could, there. So I can ignore that now. What? I just need to refresh it. Nope. Oh, plugins? What is all this? Advanced Custom Fields Pro? What is all this junk? Where'd this stuff come from? What? Hold on. Where am I? What is this? Docs? Plugins? Streams? Oh, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Oh, what have I done? What have I done, friends? I've moved everything? Oh, no. Let's see what I've done here. GST. Oh Lord. Yeah, I gotta have to. I think I moved plugins into the docs folder, which is super weird. Remember? No. Right? So this looks a little, what is that? What is that in there? I don't know what I've done. Their meme generator. Oh, whatever. Revert. Yep, discard them changes. Okay, so then, sorry. It's like my, yeah, it's like my first day. I was just away for a week in England for a meetup, actually with Justin. Justin's on my team, and we got to hang out in real life. It was super cool, but now I don't remember how to do anything at all. Why is first draft not being ignored? Why is first draft? So this should be ignoring all my themes, and it's not ignoring this one because there's a, because there's a git. Yeah, that's what it is. Never mind. It is ignoring it. It's just not showing up as ignored because there is a repo in there. Ignore first draft. There we go. Boom. Bam, 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 commit. Oh, whatever. Yes. Fine. Done. Good. Don't need to look at that again. Okay, so let's look at first draft. Who's that? A Web Factory. New sub. Oh! A Web Factory. Thank you for the sub. I wish my bot was working, but thank you very much. I appreciate you. Regardless. I'm not hearing anything coming out, but whatever. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, it's just one of those days. One of those days. All right, cool. So what are we doing today? So my idea is I want to build a theme, a block theme that, and thank you for hanging out with me while I'm rambling, but I want to build a block theme that allows me to basically do, like, have a look, to look like VS Code, right? So, so you could pick a theme similar that you would pick for like your IDE, but the content is going to be sort of based towards developers. So being able to display code samples and, you know, all that fun stuff. So let's see what this awesome theme that Justin gave us. Where is it? I'll just update that while I'm waiting. So first draft, we're going to activate first draft, and let's just look. Let's look what it looks like. So that looks pretty cool. So I know it's called Shades of Purple. That is my VS Code color codes. Maybe we can do that. So what is this? Shades of Purple? Is this what? Purple? What's this? Shades of Purple. Oh no, this is giving me actually Shades of Purple. Actual Shades of Purple. Probably should have done this. VS Code colors. This is Shades of Purple. Is this it here? Is this yeah, this is it. So we can look at the theme here. Okay. So we got some colors that we can steal from, which is pretty cool. There's a lot of colors in here. So what we got? Colors. We're gonna go. So we'll just have to see what these colors are. So that's about all we need to do, I think. I'm gonna grab some of that stuff. But what do we want this to do? So we want to have. We don't need like. Sort of all over the place. So we've got an index file, we've got a page, we've got a single template, and then what do you think we're gonna need for this? In the sense of like content, like I'm gonna get it. Like I think we should have a sidebar. I think we should have a thing. I don't know how we're gonna do sidebar, but we'll figure that out. Yeah. Update. So what plugin wants to be updated here? Sorry, what is this thing? Gutenberg. Yeah, sure, we'll update now. I'm gonna deactivate it. I don't want that thing alive. We're making a theme. Yeah, we're gonna try to make a theme, unless somebody has something else that they want to talk about. Because I gotta be honest, I'm a little bit nervous about making a theme because I haven't really done one in a while. So that's the idea. So let's get into it. So the first place that you want to start is most likely in the theme.json. Now there's a couple ways that we can generate themes. There is a fantastic plugin called Create. What is it? Create. I don't think I have it installed actually. Create block theme. Okay, I don't have that one, but there is a plugin that you can get. And just do a search for Create block theme. Carry Web Dev. Thank you. Yep. Create block theme. So if you install this, you can and activate it. You have a what's your view on custom blocks in the theme? Yeah or nay? If you need them, do them. I think that that's a great question, Kev. This is what Kevin is asking. So like to Corey's point, if you're an agency or if you're making a very bespoke theme for something, chances are your markup is going to be very, very specific. So having a block, there's a lot of times where you would need a block for that. Like say you're making a very bespoke, I don't know, whatever, image slider or some kind of call out feature or something. So absolutely, I would bundle your block with your theme. The thing is, if your theme goes away and that markup that the block represents doesn't make sense anymore, then I would probably say you should bundle it with the theme. That would be my sort of general recommendation, right? Block answer patterns are sure easy to code. Yeah, block patterns are pretty easy to code. That is for sure. For .org specifically, I don't know if you can actually bundle. I don't know actually if you can submit a theme that has blocks bundled. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can. So what you can do is you can submit a plugin that has your blocks that goes along with that. Yeah, you won't be able to submit that. And Learner, thanks for the first time chat. Cool. So anyway, so this create block theme. So once you enable it, you can go into appearance, create block theme, and you can there's a number of things that you can do. You can create a child theme of whatever your active theme is. In our case, it's first draft. You can clone it. You can overwrite everything in there. You can create a new theme. You can create a style variation based on something that's in there. It's pretty handy. So if you come into the editor and you make a number of changes and then you save those changes, typically, like if I were to come in here and edit the page template and I don't know, whatever, add another block underneath this, like post this group post title. If I wanted to insert like I call it post date maybe. Like I insert that. So what this is going to say, I'm going to hit save here, and it's going to save it to the database, right? So those don't actually. So it says customized here, right? So you can actually come in and clear the customization. It'll be reset back to what the template files are saying. But once this is done, when you go back to your plugin, your create block theme, you can actually have it. In our case, we could actually have it take those changes and write them to the template directly, rather than storing them in the database. So this is a great tool for if you like to iterate inside and build in the block editor and the site editor. You can do it that way. It's actually really, really cool. And I don't think there's a right or wrong way of building themes. I'm very much like old school theme guy that like wants to like go and write all the code out, right? Use the video pattern as you like writing a pattern you make and keep the pattern studio directly to your theme code. Yeah, that's cool. That's a great suggestion. A web factory. So anyways, what are we doing? Okay, so let's look at, so let's just create a blank theme and just to kind of look at it. So if we create a blank theme, we can go, my first theme. I don't know if we need to do any of this stuff. Code is only the source of truth for themes. Yeah. To generate, I don't know if it, okay. My first block okay, we'll call this twitchy blocks. I don't know, I'm horrible at naming things. So we'll do that. So now if we look in the source, we should have a twitchy blocks thing in here, and it comes with a very, very minimal stuff. So if we look in theme.json, we see it's very minimal. I don't know what that does. I've seen that a couple times. Justin, maybe you can tell me what the use root padding aware alignments, I'm sorry, is, because I don't know what it does. So this points to our schema, and the schema will tell you what goes where. It's for global padding. Okay, cool. Appearance tools, layout, so we can set a width and a wide content, the units that we want to use, the fonts that we want to use, so template parts, things like that, and our version. And so if we compare that to what's going on in Justin's first draft, there's a lot more going on in here. So we're setting border controls for everything. We're setting allowing in colors, so we can use the default gradients, the default palette. We can have custom colors. That's padding on root blocks and not on nested blocks. Huh. Interesting. When adding padding to styles, root and theme, it'll allow for wide blocks to stretch the edges. We'll give you the padding on. Oh, interesting. See, I don't know anything about this, so I'm learning. We can set colors. There's gradients, but no. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Let's go back in here. Let's go to the posts. We can just kind of look at some stuff. This is first draft tester. Let's post this. So if I drop some, let's do one paragraph. This is a great little add-on that I have. Oh, that you probably can't see. This just does like dummy lip some. So we can go. Let's go background color. So we can do. So these are all defined by the theme. So these are all these colors that are defined in this palette here. Right? What's this one say? This is called transparent. So there's one here called transparent. Brilliant. And then these are the default ones that kind of come with WordPress in general. I'm sure most people know this. So we can do gradients. So there's default gradients. I believe the gradients array has been. So if you wanted to define a list of gradients, you can do so here. Yeah, so we can do all kinds of gradient stuff. 335, and we'll go this color will be this color, and then something like, ooh, here you go. Interesting. Come on. Don't know what just happened there on the back of the glass. There we go. Looks wonderful. Didn't have time to build custom gradients. Oh, Justin, that's fine. You just built everything else. So I'm just gonna maybe go through these one at a time and see. So the settings. So border. So these would be border controls. So where would we see border controls? Let's see. Dimensions. No. What would have border controls? Maybe an image block. Does the image block have border controls? Let's see. No. That's the wrong thing. Where is he? You know who I'm looking for. There he is. Kevin. All right. So where would I find probably the styles? Border. So we have border control. So we can set a border color. We can set the height. We can set the radius. There's that lovely guy. All right. So I would imagine if we come in here and we turn, say, radius to false and save it, and that just reformatted it all. So there's that. I would imagine if we refresh this now, we'll lose some of those controls. Is that accurate? Let's see. So we're going to styles. So what did I turn off? I turned off border radius. So we don't have border radius anymore, just size. So that's where that stuff comes from. So width. Style, color. Okay, so we got color, we got width, and these would be the styles. Maybe so if we turn style off, what does that do? Get rid of these default styles. I'd imagine, right? This just might turn into a big old review of what. Yeah, there you are, Cav. You just got to get used to it, man. So, what does the style do? Interesting. If I reset that. Hey, Justin, what is, click on the color circle, it gives you solid. Oh, is that what that, oh, the line, the border style, not, I'm thinking styles. Okay, I'm sorry. So, true. Okay, so, glad you're here, Justin. One of us knows what he's doing. Let's see. All right, let's refresh this. Okay, so we come back in here. We'll grab this. We'll grab this. We'll get the border. So border's got. Oh, what? No. The style in there? Border, radius, reset all. Oh, sidebars off stream. Thank you. That's my first day, guys and gals. Sidebars off stream. Click on the color circle. The style gives you solid dots, etc. It doesn't, Justin. I don't see it unless have I just missed it? Let me just refresh this again. Make sure it's all loaded properly. Grab that. Grab this. Click on the border color. Yeah, I don't see style. Could it? Custom border styles. Huh. No. Okay. Well, maybe is there something else I have to enable? Maybe. Am I just not seeing it there, Justin? Anyways, I'm getting a little bit hung up on this. It doesn't really matter, but so I should click on border and I should see styles, but I'm not seeing. What's that? No. This is just, that's all standard stuff. Radius 0, default, maybe. Oh, and you know what? Tell me to move. Move. Did that not work? Oh, my bot. My bot's broken. Hang on, I'll just move that. I gotta fix my bot. I don't know what's going on. It's annoying. Anyways, working for me. Maybe it got broken in one of the releases. Well, no. I mean, oh, I see. Wait, hold on. Do I have the Gutenberg plugin activated? I think I might. No, I don't. Okay, well, whatever. Where'd I go? Okay, that's not a big deal. I'm not too worried about it. So that's cool. Working for me, maybe got broken. This is okay, cool. So the next thing, so we can define color, custom colors, right? So if we come into the background color, we can go text. And how does one define the custom colors? Oh, I guess just by picking colors like that. So that's should be the color one. This turns off the default gradients. So if you're doing a lot of, I would imagine if you're doing a lot of like bespoke stuff, you're gonna want to turn that off, like, because most sites that I've worked on had very restrictive branding guidelines. So if you just let people do this, right, then yeah, so this is only going to allow you to pick the colors from the theme that have been defined in the theme. This is still this is a separate control, and this is like just turning gradients off. So you can basically, I think if you just turn this off, sorry, that was false. That was the custom. It's custom for both, Justin. Well, we're gonna find out in a second. I'm just gonna refresh this and grab this. If I go background color, solid, yeah. So it's both. So I wonder, can you do an inner object? Is that allowed? Oh, I see. So if you do custom true, you'll get both, but you could probably do custom gradient true. What is this by default? I wonder if this is false. Default value is true. So you set that to false, then you should be able to get custom gradients, right? So, oh, I see. Okay, so we select this background color. We can do. What did I do there? Default gradients false. Custom gradient. So this. Oh no, that doesn't seem to be correct. what other comes up? So there's custom duotone, default duotone text background. It's not. Well, it's saying it's, oh, you know why? Because I have custom here set to false, so it's turning them both off. Okay, so let's look. So if I set this, let me try something. If I set custom to true, I believe, I think I know what's going on. So if I set custom to true, I get a custom color here, but I don't get a custom gradient. Do I? No, this is quite literally setting up a custom gradient, is it not? It is. That's a custom gradient. So if I set custom gradient to false, what I'm wondering is if will I get the custom like regular color, or will I, and then no custom gradients? Let's look. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know. So we have custom colors. I don't even have gradients on there. Oh, I know why. Okay, that makes sense. So just to see if the panel comes up, I'm gonna enable the default gradients. I'm just testing iterations of this thing, right? So if I click on this, I go to background, I don't see any gradients at all. Weird. Okay. So default gradients is true. I turn custom gradient off. That could be it, that there's no theme gradients defined. What's missing this? Yeah, it's not right though. It's saying it's not allowed, as in the schema is not correct. So let's check that. Ooh. Wait. So, okay, so that shouldn't be there. Custom gradient. And gradient's just not showing up. So let's put a theme.json in there. Oops, not that. We're gonna go to the block editor. We're gonna go custom gradient. Where's a good global set of styles theme.json? These are examples of a custom gradient. Color palette version. I just need a gradient. Oh, there we go. So we'll just grab this gradient right there. We'll put that in, just see what it does. Now we have a gradient, and we'll just see what happens. What if we tried it with an S? So let's go. Huh. Weird default. I'm not getting any. Did I do that incorrectly? Palette. There's gradient there, but none of the. There's custom gradients, but there's no. The theme gradients aren't showing up. Did I do that incorrectly? Let's look back over here. So we got gradients. I'm just gonna do 2 gradients in there. I don't know. Put those in. Default. Let's set this back to true. True. Now I can't remember what was actually in there before, Justin. Sorry. I'm not even seeing theme gradients. I see that's the default. That's the default. I don't see these custom gradients coming in though. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna try something real quick. I'm just gonna switch themes. I don't think that's necessarily an issue, but sometimes it needs to get caches cleared and whatnot. There we go. Nope. Default. Weird. Okay. So these gradients aren't appearing. So that's interesting. Okay, so these are just like, so this allows link coloring. This is the palette that has been defined for all our colors, so we know what that does. Custom line heights. We got these line heights things. This is like, okay, that's cool. I don't do a ton of CSS anymore, and so the rem and all that stuff kind of makes me, it's a bit squirrely. I don't really get it, but we got some shadow presets. This is great. So block gap, custom spacing, margin spaces. Okay. So this is just setting up a bunch of spacing stuff. So here's our typography. So I guess, all right. Okay. Let's see. Is there like other colors? Like, okay, so you clearly can't do a gradient in the background there. So solid pickers there. Cool. Rid of that. How do you get rid of that color? Delete it? Oh, remove. There you go. Sweet. All right. Anyways, I'm rambling enough. Move on. So, all right. I need to do a bit more research on this. So we got our font sizes. This is really great. Getting in this. So we're gonna set our background color to the neutral 90. So this is the stuff that we're gonna need to switch. Now, yeah. So let's start making this look like a thing. So I'm thinking we need like 2 columns, right? So how would we do that? Let's look. So in our clearly I need to do a bit more work. Okay, so let's go for Shades of Purple. So we'll get some of these colors in here. Activity bar, sidebar, badge, button, contrast, base colors. I don't know what color this is, but let's check. Let's should we get a little like, where's this? We'll put this in here. Ooh, what's all this? So that's that color. Description format, drop down, editor background. I think that's what I want. That is what I want. So this is the color that I want to use. Don't forget your semicolons. Don't you tell me what to do, Corey. I'm just using this so I can see the preview. Okay, you got to get off my, you know. Okay, so let's look at our colors. So I'm just going to add some more color palette here. I'm just going to go, we're going to add a slug. I'm going to call this, now I want to think this through because I want to add a style. We're going to add styles in here so we can have like, so somebody wants to have, you know, Shades of Purple, or they want to have whatever, Darkula or anything else. Yeah, it's not working, Corey. I'm going to hold on a second. I'm going to see if I can get it working with a different version of Node. I don't know what's going on here. We're going to go npm start. Sorry, I don't know what the hell's going on with my bot, but we're going to see in a second. Can't connect to the server for some reason. What server can it connect to? Tau server? I don't know. Let's try it again. I'm going to send a message here. See if it works. Move. Oh, I'm looking forward to the distraction. Something's... Yeah, it just keeps crashing. I don't know what's going on. Something must have changed with... Something must have changed somewhere. I gotta figure it out. So, anyways, just yell in the chat, and I can move you in here if I'm in the way. So, so I need... Yeah. Anyways, so what I want to do is color, and then my intention is to have it basically... like if you look at, let's see, I think 2023 has got styles. So if we look at like these things here, so you can switch styles throughout the whole thing. So what I want to make sure I have is a common naming theme. So I'd imagine like the base color, there's going to be a base color and it's always the same. So those CSS variables are always fine. So like this is going to be like, I'll call it IDE background. Right, the color is going to be that, and then we'll call this IDE background. I don't know what we'll call. Well, actually, you should probably name it something that's like an actual contrast primary. So I don't know if this is a good way of doing it or not, but we'll see. And then I can refresh this. Just update this. I'll just kind of build this out very slowly. We'll get no work done. Is that it? IDE background. So that's it. Yeah. So that's starting to look a bit like VS Code. You know what I'm saying? What else we got here? Where the editor foreground, default foreground color number. Interesting. So it's white. So we'll just go. I'll make another one. You know what? I'm gonna call it editor background. I'm gonna do this editor background. I'm just gonna be real pedantic about it. I'm gonna go editor background, and then we'll have editor foreground. Right, 4 with an E, and then I think this is just white and editor foreground. Right. So what I should be able to do then is I should be able to in my I love this feature. I'm just gonna do this. Oh no, wait, hold on. I lost color. I want palettes. Don't want gradients open. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go find the sort of the background color of everything. And I need Justin or whomever to tell me if I'm just doing this fundamentally wrong. Where the hell? Okay, so text background is going to be var preset. It's going to be color. It's going to be what did I call it? Editor background. Right? Styles, color, background. Yes, right there. Now if I refresh this page, will it be the background of the whole thing? It is the background of the whole thing. So that's cool, right? My favorite WordPress dev. Oh man, who? Justin? Justin's my favorite WordPress dev too. Death Dealer DOA. Always glad you're here. You do scare me a little with your name though. It's not like cute and cuddly, but maybe you are cute and cuddly. Maybe you just you know, maybe you just need a hug. Just a gamer tag. I know I'm just messing with you, but you know what? I appreciate you. And thanks for coming. And yeah, so let's see. Okay, so we got this. So we're gonna set some foreground colors. That looks okay, but do I like that? What do I like? So if what does markdown look like? I guess it's just white, right? Oh, and then what's this color? What's that color? That's gonna be like my headings. I think that's gonna be my headings color. I just gotta find that color now. Can I see what color that is? How can I find out what color that is? All right, whatever. It's got to be in here somewhere. It looks like a yellow or something. The color selection battle. Okay. Oh boy. Integrated terminal colors, text colors, background color. What would it be? A comment color? It might be a comment color. Like maybe there's a markdown in here somewhere. This seems like a lot going on. this. Color for the title link. For lists. This. Heading name section. Did that look about right? Let's see what color that is. Let's see what color that is. This is just going to be me finding color. I think that might be right. Okay, so we're going to go. So how should I define this? So then I know how we'll do it. Okay, so we're going to go. We're going to do a. This is where things get a bit. This is like how to name things. Oh my God, I gotta pee so bad. The coffee is just flowing today. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go editor. We'll call this headlines, I guess, right? So we'll call that editor. Well, let's go headlines. Okay, I have got to go pee. So entertain yourselves for a minute. Thanks for waiting for me. Okay, cool. What we're talking about in there? Teach you my naming system later on how to use it. Nice. You're here for you're all here to witness the first time I've ever had to go off stream to go take a pee. Anyhow, okay, so let's see what we got. So now what I want to do is I want all my headlines to look like this color. So I think I can do that further down under elements, I believe. So styles, spacing, typography, no code, core. These are all specific things. I think elements. So heading. So I think I can do. Do you do color down here? Can I just go color? And what does it want me to do? Heading, color, and then text. And then I'm gonna think that we're gonna add one of the vars that we just created. I'm gonna steal that, but this is gonna be preset. It'll be color. Oops. Color, and it'll be what do I call the editor headlines? Editor headlines. So now if I switch back over to in here, that's probably not going to work because I need to insert a heading. Heading 1. Heading, this would be H2. No, heading 1. And it's not working. It's not working, Justin. Just kidding. We'll figure out why. So it works there, but I missed a dash. You missed a dash, Corey. Oh, of course I missed a dash. Of course I missed a dash. You're the best. Thanks, Corey. Okay, so now all my headings should be like this, right? Reload. They should all be. Did I not save it? Did I still miss a dash after color? Huh. Just dashes. Dashes on dashes on dashes there that I'm missing. What is going on? Now get rid of the other one. You get rid of the other one I just added. I'm going to add, wherever I want. I do what I want, Corey. No, that should be, because that's the name of the thing. You're right. Okay, so color, editor, headlines. Yeah. You passed. You passed the test. You passed the test. I knew what was going on the whole time, but I wanted to see if you knew what was going on the whole time. And you passed. Much respect. I'm going to go H3 on that. We're going to go here. We're going to go convert to heading. We're going to go H4 on that. We're going to go convert to heading. We're going to go H5 on that. And I just need it. Whoa. Heading 6, not size, 6, and we're gonna go H6. So interesting. So these are okay. So that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna put just I'm gonna just clear this, reset all. Okay, that looks all right. If I just go in here and I go, oops, I just reset all, right? Oh, that's not right. So we need to figure out something there, right? Global I style book. What? What about the style book? What about the style book? Oh my God, you're so right. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go update. I completely forgot about the style book. Let's go editor. Let's look in here. Oh, what did I break? What block? Oh, spacer block. Weird. So I go to style book. Style book. There we go. Headings. Why is it all grayed out though? Everything's grayed out. I don't know why it's grayed out. Let's go back here. Yeah, what the deuce is right? This is very cool though, because what? It just did its thing, and then it kind of got grayed out again. So then, do I need to select it, and then is this because I'm not? Okay. This isn't. It's not horrible. We're getting there. So that looks right. This looks weird, but when I go into here, blame the bot. Yeah, it's the bot's fault. It's that or it's Kevin's fault. Sorry, Kev. It's your fault. Okay. So that's pretty cool. All right. So this looks all right, but so I think. So code. So how do we want to handle a code block? I think that's something that we should probably figure out, right? Because, I mean, this is all white text. This is pretty straightforward stuff. You know what I really want to do now, though, is I want to add a style to it and call it something. I want to add, okay. Anyways, okay, so we got the headlines. We got the foreground. We got the background. We got the... maybe foreground is going to be actually the text as well, right? So maybe instead of calling it editor foreground, we call it editor text. Does that make sense? Yeah. So you put it in here. So if I had one like whatever Darkula, if I want to call it, because that's a one, isn't it? JSON. I could do that. WP, I got basic theme.json in there. By the way, this is a shameless plug. That came from my snippets plugin. So if you want to grab that, go ahead. And actually, Justin, I would love to maybe steal some of your defaults here and add them to the snippets plugin that I have. It's an extension. It's available. It's a shameless self-promotion right here, but it's right here. You can download it in a number of places. Right here, for example, is where you could get it. And there's a whole bunch of like inserting components and doing stuff that you would kind of do regular block development stuff, but there's also, you know, that there's like a Webpack one for if you want to do a custom Webpack. Anyways, have a look. So what did I do? Okay, I'm not gonna do that. So for the Darkula one, I'd need basically this, right? I don't think I need this stuff though. What do I need? Let's look at what's in here. So let's give it a title. Workflow, no code and style block, global styles, and create block name, style variations, or rewrite. So in the Darkula, I'm gonna give it, this is gonna be Darkula. I don't know why I have that stuck in my head, but that is one. Is it not? Is it not? We should say Darkula VSCode theme colors. Or Dracula. Is this the one I'm thinking of? Yeah, why not? Okay, so we're gonna go, so it's kind of like off-white. Okay, so I can just steal the colors here, and I'm gonna change it to Darkula to Dracula. I swear there's one. Maybe it's it might be in like a like in my terminal or something. Dracula. So this is going to be a different color. So I don't think I need any of that. I'm just going to do settings, colors, right? Settings, colors. So I don't need the layout. I need settings, colors, like this, and then I just be able to define the palette. All right. Actually, I'm pretty excited right now. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty excited. And then we'll do this. Let's grab these, and then I'll put these in here, and then this is where we're going to go ahead and change the colors. So the background is going to be this background, right? Foreground is going to be this. Now, I'll have to do a bit of digging, but I don't know what would be. Wonder if it would be this color. Maybe we'll just do that one for now. Or yeah, we'll not comment. We'll just do this one for now. I just want to see what this looks like. So now we've got this in there, and if I come back in here, right? Thing. Can I? Ooh. Oh, look at that! I wish we could see this a little better. I don't know why it's grayed out. But you can switch your colors here now. Oh, sorry. Paragraph. I don't know why it's graying out. Because that should be white. Like if you go in here, like this is white text. Styles. Not in there. So I go like this. Oh, cool. Look at that. Is the text changing a little bit? It is. That's pretty neat. So now we've got, like, you want it to look like your... Well, that's weird. Why is that one working, but this one's not? There's a mystery afoot. Let's figure it out. Okay. So in theme.json, do I have something that's overriding it maybe? Maybe I'm overriding something. Let's go and where am I? Way down here. Image, CSX, core elements, post title. Okay, so no. Site title, don't have anything in there. Elements, where am I? Elements, each one. Yeah, I ran in that as well. It's a spacer block. There's something going on with the spacer block, and I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so I don't know why those colors, so heading color text is editor-headlines, right? Yan Vallejo, hello, welcome to the stream. Thanks for hanging out today. So color background, what is this from? Elements, button. So it's weird. So, I mean, if I select that style, like, so it looks great, really. But if I select that style, I can't tell if this is changing, to be honest. Sure, let's save. Yep, save. And we'll come back and we'll look at what it looks like in here. So what color is this? Let's look. Where am I here? The P tag should have... No one can read that. I'm just going to zoom in. So in here, I should have inspect. So where is it? So the P tag, post excerpt. Should be a color defined somewhere in here. Color, editor foreground. Okay, so what is the editor foreground color? So that's this thing. So that is right. So it is getting that. That's cool. And the headlines looks right. So if I come back now and I switch it back to here and I hit save. Sure. I switch this. So let's see why that isn't getting it on the front end. What is this? Neutral. It's an H2. Whoa, get out of here. Oh, is that the link tag that's overriding it? Wait, no. Because there's a link in it, it's not working. What? What? So it's overriding it with a tag stuff. So, okay, so we gotta look in our, I guess there'd be some A tags in here. Elements, button, focus, caption, site, heading, H1, core table, core site title, post title, link, focus, hover. This is not that. Okay, these are blocks. This isn't really what. Well, you know what? Let's find out where this is being applied. I'm just going to see this. Maybe it's being applied in here somewhere. So I'm going to drop this in here, and I have no results. Interesting. Let's go and get to the link color. You can override heading elements link color. You can override link color. Heading elements. What is it? Heading. Then inside of here, I do elements. Is that what you're saying? No. Wait. What? You can overwrite heading elements link. Overwrite link color text for all links. I think I want to do that. So where do I, so there's no link in here. So element will be, so if I go into elements, where's elements? Elements. So you're saying like link? Like that? Or does it need to be like that? Because that doesn't seem right. Heading. So heading. Oh, link, color, there it is. This should be it here. So I'm gonna go, this is gonna be editor headlines. Because I think I want links to be the same as that, right? So like this, think that's it. No, that worked, this didn't. Okay, so. In heading, can you do element in heading? What's in here? Filter, outline, spacing. See this color. I go, oh, maybe link. Does link work in there? This is getting a bit confusing. That doesn't work in there. Heading. And there should be an elements in here. I don't think elements goes in here though, right? Not that though. Heading, elements. This is telling me that the schema is not allowing this, but maybe that's not an issue. Okay, core post title block. Maybe we'll do that. Link. We'll go color in there, right? And then we'll go text. So this is where schema is so helpful, because I mean there's so many things that go into this, right? Like this is so. There's just so many things, and there's no way that you're going to remember all this stuff. So when you're using VS Code or anything that can ingest the schema, you will be able, you'll get, like, you know, if you try to put, if you're in border and you try to put, I don't know, whatever, like spacing, does that actually work? Oh, it does work. Like you put element, right? I don't think element's going to work. Or is it just going to work? Yeah, so now it's saying, hey, this is not allowed here because it's not part of the schema. So at least you'll get, it won't tell you what can, well, it will actually. It can tell you what goes in there. And so if you took width out, for example, and you started to type a new one, I believe you would get the option that is left. So we could do that, right? But so that's why schemas is so important and helpful for us devs trying to figure this crap out. Okay, so I think I just updated the headline. So let's see. Still didn't update the headline. So it's still getting overridden by this one. So we're getting closer because it's here. So I need to maybe add. Okay, so we need to get a bit closer. So let's go and take a look here. Where did I just update that? Navigation, post title, link, color, core. Can I just do the heading block? Like, can I just go core / heading, and I'll just put color in there. I'll just put some color in there, or link, and then like something like that. Wonder if that'll do it. Well, that's post title though. Never mind. Just never mind. That is not what I wanted to be doing. So that needs to go away. So where's the post title block? Site title. I think. Why not do heading styles and styles elements heading? Well, I did. So if you look in styles, wherever that is, styles, elements. Oh, and styles, you're saying? Styles, color, and then where's my elements? I think I did do that. Elements, right? And then in elements, I've got heading here, and I've got the color here. I wonder, can I add? I can't add elements in here. Oh. Is link an option? It doesn't look like it is. Or maybe it is. No, that doesn't look like it's right. So it's getting overridden by wherever this is coming from. And that's strange, because if I get rid of that, it's fine. So I wonder if... So what rule is this? Huh. Interesting. First post tester... This is all sort of the same thing. Strange. Is it because I've like maybe, do I need to go back and change my templates? If I go back to my templates and I go like this and I go clear customizations and then I come back to here, no, that doesn't seem to do anything. I don't know where that's coming from now. Global styles. So it's, okay, Justin, are you there? Are you there? Are you there, Justin? You're there. So this is this WP-elements. Now, does this mean that it's generating its class from in here? Caption, there's color. Site, there's color. Focus, hover, link. We're gonna do this, maybe. I don't know if those are all gonna be weirdness. Yes, it's generated from styles, themes, element, link, and theme.json. Okay, so it's coming from somewhere in here. But for whatever reason, it's getting generated this neutral 900 thing. Is that something that is defined in this theme? Let's look. So is there a neutral in the palette, color palette? Whatever that is, neutral. There is a neutral. No, there's a neutral 100, 200, 500, 600, 700, 900. So where? Let's find out where this is being used. 5. It's only there. It's only there. Go back to the link, color, style. So back down, in elements. So in elements, where's elements? Elements. Link, color, and text, right? So it's just, that's the editor headline. That should be where it comes from. Yeah, it's just not, it's not getting there. It should be like, it should be the right var. So if I inspect this, you can see that this is like, if I turn this rule off, which I don't know where it's being generated from, if I turn that rule off, it works. So let me try something real quick. Again, I don't know if this is actually the issue or not, but if I sort of refresh all the things, it's still getting this, and so it's being generated here. Let's see, did I in my editor, in my global, if I grab this block, did I do something in this block? No, that's not fun. Get out of here. If I grab that block and I go here, oops, sorry, styles, where's that? Oh, set all. Okay, what was that? Now is that, wait a minute. So that's working there now. Was that, do you think I maybe assigned it? Okay, I'm gonna go manage all the temp. Okay, this doesn't look like it's, okay. So I think no wait, no, hold on. So if I clear the customizations, I bring this back. Okay, no, it's not, something's export code do a diff. Well, the issue is that somehow this isn't being respected. I don't think that shouldn't be in there. Right? Like, like there is no neutral 900 being used anywhere, right? Because I just look for it. That's the thing. So it's right here. Like, so if I just remove this, let's just see what happens if I just get rid of this. Now it works. I don't know why, but now it works. But it's still getting this rule applied to it. And I cannot figure out why. So maybe in the, what do you think, Justin? Anything? I don't know. Custom? No. Layout? No. I don't need the shadow right now. I don't need the spacing right now. I don't really need typography right now, although I'll have to get to that later. Styles. So we got the color, background, spacing, font family. Figure that out. So core button, core code, CSS, elements, link, focus. That's is what it is. If I add color in there, I go text, and it'll be sorry, it'll be right now. Those aren't the right colors. They're still not the right colors. It's always getting overwritten by the color somehow. Is it color inherit? Color inherit? Weird. Okay. So I think there's just some things I have to undo, maybe to move some colors around. What is this? Okay. Post title, so we got the color and the text in there. Focus, hover. site title. I don't know. I don't know at this point. I'm a little confused. So caption, this color for the caption, photography, citation. So I just need a color for that. It's kind of straightforward. No code versus code mix up. The HTML template. Oh, does it? Let's look. So in the templates, and where are we here? Index HTML neutral 900 assigned to it. Oh. So if I do, I go editor headlines, right? Will that work? That seemed to work. Interesting. Ask it on. That's a good. Oh, Justin called that out. Okay, sorry, I missed that. Thank you for that. So that's a good thing to call out. So should I be like, should we not have, like, should I take the elements out of there? Should I take this whole style thing out? Is this gonna break? Hold on. If I just go, okay, yeah. So I'm going. So I have style. I should be able to grab that. Right? Is this just gonna break everything? Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's just see. I'm gonna just keep saying it. Let's just see. Let's just see. All right, that looks good. That looks good. We're getting there. Getting there. Why is this all grayed out? That's what I don't want to. I hate this. I want to know why this is all grayed out. Like, because this is working, but everything's grayed out. Okay, so does that mean that in the header? No, not patterns parts. We go into the header. Did we have font colors, style spacing? Okay. Do we have color in here set as well? I don't think we do. What's this? Padding bar, bar. Okay. So comments, bing, blank, header. Okay. So, hey Justin, I wonder if all of the styles should come out of the template parts. What do you think? Like we look at, I guess there's not much in there. There's some stuff in here. Cool. This is great. Okay. We've been moving kind of slow for sure, but I think this is great. And I want to understand why. Well, I guess I have to highlight it, right? That looks great. So, oh, that makes sense because you got to highlight the thing. So I got to fix up what's going on with that, but so that looks pretty cool. Spatial block is completely busted, but let's see. Let's pretend block recovery. There we go. We got it. Go into settings, browse styles. So I'm really liking this idea of being able to just switch it between the sort of, that's what I'm talking about. So why? This bugs me. Widgets. Is there something that's fighting with this, I wonder? Some blocks such as the site title is used in the header and first. Defining styles in the template is sometimes needed, but in general, especially for a startup theme, I'd be supposed to move more to the theme.json. Awesome. Okay. So I can't tell if it's the right color because it's all grayed out, which is weird because this is not grayed out. Let me see what happens if I just swap themes. I'm just gonna swap themes real quick. Come on, yes, leave. So go themes, and I go, is this what? I know what 2023. I'm pretty sure has some style variations. So go in the editor or some theme.json variations. Let's go to the home page. And I click on the home page, and it's a little bit grayed out. And I go here, and oh no, style book's what I want. Am I the only one that thinks this is weird? Am I the only one that thinks that that's super odd, that it's sort of like everything's grayed out? You know what? I'm going to turn some things off. Let me check to make sure. I'm going to turn off all my plugins. That's not going to do anything. I'm just going to deactivate these plugins and refresh this. I'm still sort of getting... this kind of grayed out thing, right? Well, so when you, okay, Sarah and 88, when you get style, oh Lord, sorry, what am I doing here? When you have your style book running, like I'm not seeing anything, no console errors. Like, does it look grayed out like that? Also, hi, thank you. It's not, it just looks strange to me, like. Yeah. Like it's just getting grayed out, and I don't know. Mine isn't grayed out like that. So it's just me. Is what you're telling me? Okay. So what style is being applied to it? I have no idea what's being applied to this. I don't know why. Example. So let's see. I can look in here. So what is this? There's some kind of check the computed tab. What do we got? What do we got? Display. I don't see anything. I'm in the iframe, right? Is this what I'm looking for? I think this is what I'm looking for. Maybe not. Hold on. What is this? It's Grammarly. I don't want that. Body class. Just seems, I don't know. What is this area heading? What's this thing? Very odd. Okay. Where's my, what is all this crap? In there, I got color? Let's see. I don't see anything changing. I don't know. Tab list. Here's the body. Display is black. Just like I don't know. I don't know what this would. Probably Grammarly. Oh, maybe it is Grammarly. Let me turn it off. Extensions. Let me just turn off. I didn't even thought of that. I'm just gonna turn it off. Grammarly. Let's just turn off all my extensions for the moment. Turn that off. I'm not using anything here really. We'll just turn it all off. Okay, so we'll refresh this. Nope. Something's wrong, right? Check the text node computer tab, which might show more specific. What? The what in here? This thing? This thing? Let's see. that color looks like it should be right. But I don't know what the hell's going on with that there. I don't see anything. This is this thing maybe. Check the text, the actual text like this. I don't see anything in there that would tell me. I don't see anything. Maybe an overlay. The text is an opacity. Where are you seeing that? Where are you seeing that opacity? Oh, right there. Where's that being assigned? Okay. So where would I see the opacity? There it is. Okay, so that is focus mode. So why is opacity set to 0.2? Yeah, but what? But it's not working. It doesn't look like it's working. Like it looks so it's starting in here, and then it's supposed to transition the opacity, right? I would imagine when I click on it, it's supposed to do something, right? Let's jump back up here and see. Like that's supposed to be doing some kind of. I think it's a bug. Would make like you'd think if you selected that it would transition to opacity of 1, and then you would see everything, right? Is focus mode block editor list block not? I don't know. I'm gonna have to. I think this might be a bug. I think I'm gonna have to look in. Like it might be like a regression maybe or something. I'm gonna ask around and see what I can figure out about that, because it's kind of annoying. It's annoying, right? Do you have spotlight mode enabled? Spotlight mode? Well, if I knew what spotlight mode was, I do have spotlight mode enabled. Let's turn that off. Like it's like I'm learning stuff every day from all you wonderful people. So clearly the answer is to turn spotlight mode off, because now it works. Spotlight mode. So I click on that. So okay, so there's an issue with spotlight mode. Okay, who is that? Sarah and 88. Sarah and 88. Amazing contribution to the stream today. Thank you so much. I don't have a. This is for you. Kevin! It says Kevin, but this is for you. It's all for you. Oh, actually, this is for you. You're awesome. Very awesome. Thank you so much. That's amazing. Okay, so we turned style mode off. Sorry, what was that? Spotlight mode? Spotlight mode off. Okay, so I think we should be filing a bit of a bug there. Okay, so now let's switch back to our theme, our other theme, the one we're building on, and then now I think is an excellent time to stop because we're just about right at the end of time here. So we refresh this. We go back into the style book. Oh, look at that. Now we can work. Now we can get shit done, yo. We'll switch that. We'll switch that. This is wonderful. So we can see there's some things that we need to sort of fix up, right? Media looks good. Design, select buttons. Yeah. So do a bit of, oh, that's cool. So we'll do a bit of, what you call it? Someone should tell me. Oh, really? Oh, okay, cool. Spotlight mode, it seems to be focus mode. Yeah, Kev. So in theory, if you're in spotlight mode, you're supposed to be able to select the thing and then have it show up here. Now here, oh, maybe this is just, hold on. Select that. Where am I here? If I select this, so it works in the template editor. Where the hell am I? So I go to single page. So if I select this, select the post title. It looks correct there. It works there. This all works, right? Turn spotlight mode off. It just works. Okay, so this is a spotlight. This is an error with spotlight mode in the site editor. So maybe that exists. Maybe that's an issue. Let's go to the Gutenberg repo and find out. We'll do an issue. We'll do search for spotlight mode. Oops. Spotlight. I can spell it right, which I cannot. Spotlight. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like there's an issue for this specifically, but I will open an issue if it's there. It's probably going to be broken for me in the style book on Gutenberg too. It works in the template editor. Yeah, it's the same. So I wonder. Oh, here's a question. I wonder. Let me turn Gutenberg back on. I wonder if it's been addressed like in the plugin. Let's find out. So in here, I'm in the single template. Uh-oh. There we go. And if I turn spotlight mode on, okay, it works. If I go to the style block book, it does not work in there. Okay, so that's an issue. We need to get that filed, and hopefully someone smarter than this guy, whose name rhymes with Revan, can fix it. Kevin's gonna stop coming here because I'm always like Kevin saves everything. But he does. There's a certain stream of mine that comes to mind where he literally said to me, "Do you want to struggle or do you want the code?" And he just gave me the code, and it saved the day. A bit like what Saren88 did today, right? You remember what I'm talking about, Kevin? You little Kevin guy, you. Okay, cool. Enough of my bullshit. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call it today, but thanks for hanging out with me, everyone. Next week I'll be a lot more organized, and we'll get some more colors in place. I'll start looking at doing like a 2-column thing, and then we'll see what we can do. I'd like to see about incorporating Kevin's awesome code plugin in there. That would be very cool. That would be very, very cool. Kevin, drop the link to your plugin, because it's an awesome like code block where you can like pick stuff. It'd be neat if you could like connect the two somehow. I'm now solutioning like crazy, but that would be very cool. Justin, thank you so much. I gotta say, Justin is amazing. The first draft is the name of the thing. So go take a look if you want to get started. You know, there's a lot in there, save you a ton of time for everything. But anyhow, thank you. Thanks all for coming, and we'll see you all next week, where we'll pick up where we left off here, and I'll add probably 2 more colors and just ramble on for 2 hours. Anyways, y'all are great. I love you all. Thank you. Web Factory, thanks for the sub, and thanks to everyone for hanging out with me. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content about Gutenberg and WordPress development.